All right, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video for everyone. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the SoundPEATS Q30 HD Plus truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So today in this video, I'm going to do two things. I'm going to give y'all a fitting demonstration with the earbuds. Then we're going to do two audio sound sample tests. The first test is going to be a leakage test, and then the second test is going to be a sound sample to the best of my ability. So without further ado, I hope everyone finds this video helpful, and let's begin. Okay, now starting off here, let's talk about the overall fit, and let me give y'all a fitting demonstration of the two different ways that you can wear the earbuds. All right, now for reference, I left the stock earbud tips on the earbuds because the best thing for me was the inner ear hooks that go inside my ears. So even with the stock tips on, because of these inner ear hooks, it pretty much gave me a perfect fit. And this is way number one, that you can wear the earbuds with the access cable hanging down under your chin. All right, that's way number one. Okay, so just like this, you can see it's hanging underneath my chin. Now it's kind of wrapped up in my professional microphone, but we can fix that. But this is way number one, that you can wear these earbuds with the access cable hanging underneath your chin. Okay, way number two, if we take it out now, and let me unloop this. Way number two is you can put the access cable behind your neck, just like this, and you put it back in like so, and you put this side back in like so. Again, making sure those inner ear hooks clip in right here, and then you could wear it like this. Now the access cable is behind my neck. All right, so you could wear it like that. You can see all the excess cable is gone here, and you can see all the excess cable is gone here. Okay, so those are the two different ways that you can wear the earbuds, however you want to wear it. Okay, so you can do under the chin, or you can do behind the neck. Okay, now for reference, all the main functions are done on the right earbud extension. Okay, so all your goodies are going to be on this portion of the earbuds right here. Okay, but that goes over a real quick fitting demonstration. Let me give y'all a close-up of that. So let me turn to my left. You can see the right earbud, okay, right there. And let me turn to my right, and you can see the left earbud right there. And overall, in regards to the fit, I have to say the fit on these is top notch. I haven't had any issues in regards to the fit. They're actually super comfortable for extended listening sessions. I haven't had any issues. And again, I would equate that to the inner ear hooks, okay? Because these ear hooks go right on the inner side of my earlobe, and they stay. So regardless of whatever I do, these earbuds are not going to come out once these ear hooks are clicked into place. And you can see I can shake very vigorously, not coming out. Okay, and even in the gym, this was perfect. So these are almost like the perfect pair of gym earbuds. All right, but that goes over the overall fit. Let me change this again just to make it easier to handle when I hold it up to my mic for the sound sample. So let's put the access back under my chin, make it easier to work with. Okay, now let's get into the first set of audio sample tests. The first test is going to be a leakage test. Now for reference, recording the audio here today, I do have my professional clip-on microphone recording all the audio. Okay, I do have the earbuds hooked up to my iPhone 11. You can see it right there. Okay, and I do have the earbuds set to max volume. You can see it right there. As I always do for these fit and sound demo videos, I'll have B-roll thrown up in post, letting you see how everything is set up and letting you see the copyright-free music that I am using, all right? And all the links to everything that I talk about or feature in this video, whether it be copyright-free music or otherwise, or featured devices or products with affiliated links and or extended coverage, will be linked up down below in the video description as well. So the video description will always be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. And as the name implies, they are affiliate buy links down there. So when you guys and gals make your purchases using those affiliated buy links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So those affiliate links, as well as all the links down below in the video description, are like a win-win for everyone, and the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. All right, let's get into audio test number 1. Got my copyright-free music pulled up right here. Again, we got the volume maxed out, and let's go ahead and push play. And for reference, I would say my professional microphone is less than a foot away from my mouth. So if there's any leakage coming off of the earbuds, my professional microphone should easily be able to pick it up. And I want you guys and gals to let me know down below in the comments if there is any leakage coming off of these earbuds. Okay, let's stop talking. Let's push play. Let's get into the first audio sample test. Let's go. Okay, let me pause that. So real quick leakage test. And again, I won't know till I watch the video back in post, but you guys and gals, let me know if you heard any leakage coming off of the earbuds that was picked up by the microphone. All right. Now, what I want to do before we do the last audio sample test, I just want to give everyone my overall thoughts on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these earbuds, and I'll be sure to reiterate this in the full review for these earbuds, as I always do. All right, now, taking into account all of my testing, including the testing we just did in this video, in terms of the overall sound quality, I would have to say these earbuds are just good. I did notice a noticeable amount of distortion on the low ends of the volume spectrum or the high ends of the volume spectrum, but it didn't take away from my overall experience. But that's something I'm not used to noticing. I haven't noticed that type of distortion in a long time, but the overall sound quality on these, I would have to say, is still good. All right, moving on, talking about the overall volume of these earbuds, I would have to say the volume of these earbuds is actually top notch. With the earbuds in my ears, using them at max volume or even 50% volume, I have no issues drowning out my surroundings and fully immersing myself in whatever I'm doing with the earbuds. Okay, whether that be listening to audiobooks, whether that be watching movies via Netflix or Hulu or so on and so forth, or binge watching or binge listening to my favorite playlists in YouTube Music. No issues in regards to the overall volume, no issues whatsoever. So the overall volume on these earbuds is top notch in my opinion. Now, moving over to the overall bass. Now, I am not a professional in terms of audio or music. I'm just a self-proclaimed bass head and a lover of tech. That's it. Okay? But the bass for me is probably one of the biggest things in regards to testing earbuds or headphones. So if that bass hits and I can really feel it and feel that grit, it really makes the music come alive to me, okay? And in regards to the bass, I have to say the bass on these is just good. It's noticeable, it's there. It does come out in certain genres of music, but it is lacking a noticeable amount of punch, and it is super soft, but it is there and you can notice it. So overall, I would have to say the bass on these is good. All right. So if you sum up all the totals for the three categories, the bass, the sound quality, and the volume, because the sound quality got a good and the bass got a good, that drops the overall sound volume to really good. So overall, I would have to say all three of these categories are just good. Okay? Now, that's how I feel about the earbuds in regards to those three things. Now let's move on and talk about the last audio sample test. I'm going to give y'all an audio sample to the best of my ability. Now, what I'm going to do just to make this easier is I'm going to restart the music. Okay. I'm going to push play on my phone, and then I'm going to hold up the earbuds to the microphone and give y'all a nice audio sample test for about 30 seconds to a minute. So let's go ahead and do this now. So let me push play. And let's take these out. And let's hold them up to the mic. Okay. And I'm going to give y'all 30 seconds starting now. Let me give you 10 more seconds. Okay, that should do it. Put these back in. And let's pause the music. All right, everyone, and that does it for today's video. Once again, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Today's video was recorded using a combination of the front and the rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 1080p, and we do have professional audio recording for today's video. Again, this is my lapel clip-on microphone, so please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. And please remember, as always, to keep your comments respectful, please. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.